All I would do is adore you all of the time. I'd like to. I'd like to. I'd like to love you every day.
What's up, guys, and welcome back to another video today. And today we're going to be doing some creek fishing for some sunfish and pretty much whatever's in there. This creek, whenever I first moved to this town, which was like 3 years ago, I knew some kids that fished in this creek, and that's how I figured it out. And there was like this big goldfish in there that everybody was trying to catch and nobody could do it. And finally somebody did it and they took it out. So that goldfish is not in there anymore. But it was like really big. I think they call it a koi or something like that. But anyway, that was in there, and there's just a ton of fish in there. Like little fish though, like they're just like little sunfish, and I'm not sure if there's any bass in there. If there is, they're really small. But what's going to make this challenging is the only rod that I have with me at my house right now is this bait caster, alright, this fluger set up on a 7-foot medium heavy rod. So what I put on it right now is this right here. Actually, I'm going to take this off, and I'm going to put something new on it, because that was from whenever I was white bass fishing, and I already cut off the crankbait that I had on the bottom of that. But I'm going to put something new on this, and we're going to try to catch some creek fish today. It's going to be tough since we're using this. It's just going to be hard. I'm not too sure how big these fish are. I've been down there like a couple times, and I caught a few. So we're just going to try to get on them, hopefully, and catch some creek fish. And let's get to it. Hope you guys enjoy the video.
Oh, and you cast.
Through my neighborhood to the creek, and some of my neighbors decided to go along with me, so yeah, I guess that's all right.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Like the smallest piece ever. Otherwise they eat the bent end of the hot dog. Where's your
Oh, about had my first fish.
I'll get it, because I have flip-flops on. I'll get it, or not.
where's the
They took it off.
Hey, I got one. I'm hooked up. Oh, yeah. First fish of the day right there. Sweet.
Alright.
I want to get one of these bass out here. I wonder if I can actually. There's catfish down there?
Yeah.
I'm gonna get down here. Hoping I don't get bit by a big old rattler.
Warmouth. If you catch a warmouth, do you know what those are?
Nope.
They have blue lines on their,
Oh, I got another one. I'm hooked up again. Oh yeah, that one's a bass. Let's go.
that's actually the smallest one.
Really? Dang, look at that. Just caught a bass out of this little area right here. That is awesome. Right there. Dang. And that little minnow.
It's the smallest one.
Can't believe I'm getting all this stuff out of this little creek. Oh, he's got one.
Finally.
He's got one. A little bluegill.
Are you sure? Let's check that.
There you go.
Let's check that. Do not.
Oh, I got him. I'm hooked up.
Dude, no.
Yeah.
Cut the tangled part off. No. I tied the string back.
No, I'm not trusting you to do that.
You guys
You want it?
are arguing. Oh, no, he got
I'll
away.
Fix it, or it can be your fault.
That was a warmouth or whatever he calls them.
Whose fault is it? Whose fault is it?
Yours!
Okay, I'm gonna fix it. Toss me your pocket knife.
You guys done?
No, do not.
Fine, here. Are you gonna try to
Call my mother.
Why?
Ooh.
The name of this video is going to be Watching People Argue.
Yeah, let's just do this.
Yeah, got him. Woo!
Call my mother.
Check out that fish right there, that tiny dude.
Use your phone to call my mom.
That's a pretty fish. That's a really pretty fish.
You don't even.
Moving spots now. Walking down the creek. We're pretty much just looking at big puddles and seeing if there's any fish in them. So far we have not found any, but pretty darn positive. The one up here has some, and not sure, are the fish bigger up here? Says they're bigger up here. Catfish, bluegill, warheads, what else? Warmouth, rock bass. All right, we're gonna get to it. Catch some more. All right, guys, so there's a bass in here. It's a nice bass. I'm kind of surprised. Snag the frog. Holy crap, I just got destroyed. Dang, those fish came chasing after it. Another good looking fish. God, this is insane. I can't believe just in these little creeks, all these fish are just stacked up in here.
Little fish.
Oh God. Woo.
Yeah, they all attacked it.
Okay, can you get it?
No.
Just pull the hook out.
No.
Can't
Hey,
do
what
it.
happened to the fish that was on?
Alright.
You
can let it go.
On here?
Should
Oh.
I get it off?
Yeah, go for it.
You
I
don't.
bet you if I pulled a little frog out in here.
Dude, there was one right there. Actually.
Oh yeah.
Hey, don't let us in stuff.
Alright, I'm just destroying these fish right now. This is insane. I'm probably gonna end the day with like 30 of them.
There, I didn't take that off the hook, and neither did
Holy crap, I set the hook on. Houston, we have a problem.
What? It's a mosquito trap. They're walking over there, so some stupid kids destroyed it.
Hey Austin, can you walk up there and get that?
Yeah, I'll get it. Hey,
God. Gee. There he is again. Another one.
Oh,
Alright. Alright. Another one. You gotta let these things eat it for like 9 hours and then you just set the hook. Another one, another beautiful fish right there. I really like the color on these dudes. Look at them. What are you trying to do, musically? Do you do musicallys? I do. Yeah. I make some pretty good ones too. Not trying to brag, but you know, I'm just that good. Alright, so we are we're done fishing. Alright. Say hi to the YouTube.
What's up, guys?
Hi, what's up? Yeah.
We had fun.
Yeah.
Bass.
Yeah.
We're still after that big boy.
These are my #1 fans. They came and visited me all the way from Alabama because they're my no, I'm joking.
Oh yeah.
I'm joking.
One now.
They're my neighbors, but we came down here doing a little fishing in this and then that way over there. I caught a bunch of fish, some bass. He caught some. She caught some. All that good stuff.
Yeah, Emily,
You got something to say?
Hey, so the camera.
Say it. What? That's what I thought. Alright, well anyway, we're gonna head out. It's fun.
After that bass, aren't you?
Why do you keep laughing? You're the only one laughing here.
Hey, Ethan, you're still after that big bass?
That big bass? I would get him next week. Alright, well, hope you guys enjoyed this episode, my first episode of creek fishing. Ain't that right? Who's that? Got some more friends coming all the way from Alabama on the bicycles. Alright, we're gonna hit it. Hope you guys enjoyed. See ya.
All the way from Alabama.